Welcome to this guide on how to download, access, and manage mobile health cards for children under 16 using the Alberta Wallet. The Alberta Wallet makes it easy to access a digital version of your paper card, like your mobile health card, in one secure and private place on your mobile device or a web browser. Before you begin, make sure you have a verified alberta.ca account, a verified My Health Records account, the Alberta Wallet. If you're on a mobile device, start by downloading the Alberta Wallet from the App Store or Google Play. You can also access the Alberta Wallet through your alberta.ca account using a web browser. Parents and guardians can add mobile health cards for their children under 16. When you log into My Health Records, select Parent Guardian Access. Then choose Add Parent Guardian Access. Enter your child's information and select Child's Mobile Health Card. Affirm the declaration and click Submit. The card will appear in your Alberta Wallet. In some instances, further documentation, like a birth certificate or custody order, is needed to complete a request for a child's mobile health card. You can upload up to 5 files via the upload screen to support your request. When you're done, click Submit Files. After submitting, you'll see a confirmation message. You'll also receive a confirmation email and code. Primary and Preventative Health Services will contact you with next steps after your information is reviewed. If needed, you can modify access to your child's mobile health card at any time. Select Details Modify on the Parent Guardian Access screen. In the pop-up window, make your selections, then choose Update. Your access is now updated. You may remove access at any time using the Remove button. Remember, if you need help, ask the My Health Records digital assistant or visit the My Health Records Help Center. With the Alberta Wallet, you control your credentials anytime, anywhere, through the mobile app or your alberta.ca account.